Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be comparing these two numbers. On one side we have 1 over 2 times 3 over 4 times 5 over 6 times ... times 99 over 100. And on the other side we have 1 over 10. So we want to find out which one is the larger one. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and first of all call this one x. And then I'm going to prove that x is less than 1 over 10. But how can I do that? Well, we're going to see that. But if I do that, it is obvious that 1 over 10 is the larger one. So I can say that x is 1 over 2 times 3 over 4 times 5 over 6 times ... times 99 over 100. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take each of these fractions and add 1 both to the top and the bottom of these fractions. For the first one, I'm going to have 2/3. For the next one, I'm going to have 4/5. For the next one, I'm going to have 6 over 7. And if I keep doing that, for the last one, I'm going to have 100 over 101. Then I'm going to call the product of these numbers y. Make sense? Cool. Next, notice that this number, 2/3, is greater than 1 over 2. 4/5 is greater than 3/4. 6 over 7 is greater than 5 over 6. And the last one, 100 over 101, is greater than 99 over 100. So I can say that each of these fractions is greater than each of these fractions. Therefore, I can say that the product of the fractions and the bottom, which is y, is greater than the product of the numbers on the top, which is x. Makes sense? Great. Next, let's go ahead and multiply both sides by x and say that x squared is less than x times y. Great. Now, notice that we can replace x times y with, x, which is 1 over 2 times 3 over 4 times 5 over 6 times ... times 99 over 100. And y is 2/3 times 4/5 times 6 over 7 times ... times 100 over 101. Next, in order to multiply these fractions, let's go ahead and take this and put it between these two. Let's take this and put it between these two, put this between these two, and if we go on with that, we're going to have a product of fractions that will be simplified easily. So we have x squared is less than 1 over 2 times 2/3 times 3/4 times 4/5 times so on and so forth times 99 over 100 times 100 over 101. Now, if you look at this, you can see that this 2 will cancel this 2, this will cancel this will cancel this. Obviously, this 5 will be canceled by the next 5. This 99 will be canceled with the previous 99. This 100 will be canceled with this. And that means that we are left with x squared is less than 1 over 101. Now, obviously, 1 over 101 is less than 1 over 100, which means that x squared is less than 1 over 100. Now, if I take the square root of both sides, since x is something positive, I can say that x is less than the square root of 1 over 100, and that is 1 over 10. Cool. So x is less than 1 over 10. That means that the larger one is 1 over 10. Great. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more contents like this and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this. Hopefully I will see you later. Goodbye for now.